So in the gym, one of the most popular back exercises is called the T-bar row. So here I'm going to show you how I'm using my back widow to do T-bar rows with two hands or one hand. Lastly, I want to give credit to where credit is due. Check out Ross Training on YouTube and Instagram. He's the first person to inspire me with the juggling, and he's got a great book out called Never Gymless. And we also have The Bioneer. Check him out also YouTube and Instagram. I just purchased his book the other day called Super Functional Training, learning about different things about training, about how the brain is affected with juggling. That's why I'm incorporating it now. And lastly, thank you guys so much. I'm at 1321 right now for followers on Instagram. On YouTube, it's 231, but you know what? It's okay, baby. I'm doing what I love.